Hey, I'm Aaron, and today we'll be taking a closer look at Screw Pack. If you like this puzzle and want to pick it up, it's available at puzzlemaster.ca. Okay, so here we have Screw Pack, and it comes in a Ziploc baggie to seal in the freshness. To be fair, this is actually, I kind of like that he sends these in Ziploc baggies. Especially nice quality zipper ones. Comes with a piece of paper and our puzzle, which, speaking of which, this puzzle is a level 8 on the Puzzle Master difficulty scale, ranging from 5 to 10. So our piece of paper, I'll just, it has a signature, and at the bottom he kind of just gives a brief explanation onto how to solve it, just in case you have trouble, but I will hide that for the camera. You don't have to look at that. And then in his top, he kind of talks about his puzzle and the object of his puzzle. And also he talks about his 3D printing, which is always interesting. So, this was created by Oscar Van Deventer, a pretty prolific puzzle designer. He kind of has his fingers all over the puzzle scene, from rotational puzzles like Rubik's Cubes all the way to, well, nowadays he does a lot of 3D printing puzzles, and he always kind of falls into, like, what is he exploring? And this is like him exploring screw puzzles. Like, he's got a bunch of them out right now that all have to do with screws. And this is his packing puzzle that he's designed involving screws. And as always, with Oscar Van Deventer's 3D puzzle, or 3D printed puzzles, he's gone to extraneous lengths to make them of high quality. Even though they're 3D printed, I feel like this is a quality item. I know there's a lot of stigma out there about 3D printing. You're getting what you pay for. This is a good print. He has done everything in his power to make it a beautiful print. So, with this puzzle, it's disassemble, reassemble. And what you're going to be doing is unscrewing these bolts, which you can see all have grooves. Like so. And they got big old chunky threads. And you can see the quality of the 3D print, like, to get really nice sharp threads, and you see no gaps in the plastic. It is very solid. This was made to be a good puzzle. The puzzle will be unscrewing and putting back together. Now this is where it gets tricky, because once you've unscrewed everything and kind of mixed everything up and all that, you have a bunch of threads going in different directions and it is pretty difficult. Especially if you take all these pieces out and jumble everything. That's difficult. That will make this a hard puzzle. So you'll be disassembling and reassembling. Now I think this is for the kind of person that's really detail oriented. Someone that really likes to look at the small details, because you're going to be fitting a lot of threads together and trying to extrapolate where each piece goes, especially if you don't look at a reference for your color mapping or anything like that. This one could take a good chunk of time. It's as difficult as you really want to make it. You could not mix anything up and disassemble it, and you probably wouldn't have a terribly hard time reassembling it. But if you want that challenge, mix it up. Well, thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, we have plenty more like it on our YouTube channel. Haven't had enough? Join our community on Facebook or Instagram. Want more puzzles? We have a massive catalog of puzzles at puzzlemaster.ca.